Are you wondering which tool is better for your presentations? Today we'll compare Google Slides and Canva. Both tools help you create stunning presentations. They let you add text, images, and designs easily, but each has its own strengths. Let's start with Google Slides. This tool is part of Google Workspace. It's great for collaboration. You can work with others in real time. It's simple to use and integrates well with other Google apps. You can also access your slides from anywhere. Just log into your Google account. Now, let's look at Canva. Canva is known for its beautiful templates. It offers a wide variety of design options. You can create not just presentations but also social media posts, flyers, and more. Canva has a user friendly drag and drop interface, making it fun to design. It's perfect for those who want eye catching visuals quickly. So, what are the key differences? Google Slides focuses on collaboration and ease of use. Canva shines with its design features and templates. If you need to work with a team, Google Slides is the way to go. But if you want creative freedom, Canva might be better. When it comes to features, Google Slides offers basic templates and easy sharing. Canva, on the other hand, has thousands of templates, graphics, and fonts. You can really customize your work in Canva. Pricing is also different. Google Slides is free with a Google account. Canva has a free version but also offers paid plans for more features. In the end, if you need a simple tool for teamwork, choose Google Slides. If you want stunning designs and templates, go for Canva. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.